Hi everyone, welcome to the final episode of the LookX AI tutorial series, Episode 8, Team and Customize. Let's take a look at how to collaborate on LookX and what customization services we offer. First up is Team Collaboration. Here, you can manage your outcomes together with your team members. This also includes a Team Private LoRa model library and a Team Private Project Cloud Disk. On your team's exclusive page, administrators can manage the number of members and their permissions. Once you enter the team workspace, you can view recent projects and a dashboard of the team account usage statistics, making it easy to get a comprehensive overview of the team's work. If you open a project, you will see the generation tools and generation history. This is your team's private space, accessible only to team members. Here, team members can generate and organize outcomes. Administrators can view the historical operation records of all members in the project. In the project area, you can also easily upload the generated results to the project disk. In addition, the team has a private model Agora. Members can train models exclusive to their own team. Team models are only visible and used by team members to ensure the privacy and security of model data. Here is a quick demo on how to access the team page. First, go to the LookX official website and click on the For Teams option. You will then enter the team page. We currently offer a basic plan, which includes 5 seats and 3000X credits per month. If you need more seats, you can contact sales to inquire about pricing. By the way, we offer at least a 20% discount for educational needs. Feel free to ask. We just mentioned customization services. In addition to customizing the number of seats, we also provide private cloud development services for clients with higher demands. With a private cloud, you will get independent cloud servers, comprehensive security and compliance, a high level of customization flexibility, exclusive infrastructure maintenance and management, and flexible settings for authorized accounts. Here, you don't need to worry about data security, and you will have full control. We can also perform specific custom developments for specialized needs. If you can imagine it, we can build it. So, feel free to contact us anytime for any question. Finally, don't forget to follow us and subscribe. We hope you have a fun journey with us. See you on LookX.